Hello, this is the Cobra MX3440VX, which is a 13-inch battery-powered lawnmower. And this is how it arrives with you in this box. And what we're going to do is take it out of the box, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together and also how to care for the batteries to get long life out of them. So let's get it out. So here it is, a lightweight but powerful mower, and you've got everything on the table to be able to mow your lawn. So we've got the grass collection box here, which we need to fit the handle to. This is the mower unit itself. We just need to assemble the handlebars on it with these two latches just here. We've got the all-important owner's manual that we need to refer to. That is the handle for the grass collection. The first thing we want to do is to get the batteries on charge. So here we have the battery in here. So we've got the 40 volt max battery there, and it's also got instructions for you in there as well. So keep those in a safe place. And then in this box here, we have got the charger. So we can get the battery on charge, and then when we put the mower together, we'll be ready to cut the lawns. So we've got the charger there plugged in now to the mains. Just looking at the battery, on the back there is a little button there, and if we push that, it tells us that this battery is already 3 parts charged anyway, but we want to get it fully charged. So we've got a red light on there, it tells us we've got the power. When I slide the battery into the charger and click it in, we get a green flashing light. The time when it is fully charged is when that goes to a solid green light. The back of the battery is also flashing around the back here, and they will continue to keep flashing even when it's got 4 on there, but the symbol we're looking for is at the front. Green solid light tells us that the battery is fully charged. Now the battery's on charge, we can look at assembling the mower, and it's very, very easy and quick to do. So not much to do. We've got a handle that goes on the grass collector. We've got 2 of these adjustable brackets that will hold the handlebar together, a cable clip, and the all-important owner's manual, which you need to keep, tells you exactly how to put it together. I'm going to show you anyway, but just keep that for future reference. So if we start with this, this is the grass collection bag that goes on the back of the mower. It will only fit one way, so just look at the profiles that are into these. So it's just a case of lining them up and then give it a click it into position there and into position there, and that is it. So literally seconds to get the grass collection bag together. If we slide the mower along here, all we've got to do is then to join this piece. If I just slacken that off there just a little bit, this piece will fold up and down when it's all joined together. And then this piece goes over it like that to complete it. So what we need to do is make sure, first of all, the cable is on the inside. We don't want it wrapping round. And then if we use these brackets here, these are what are going to fasten it together. So what we need to do is just take them apart. So just screw the bolt out. So we finish up with a bolt, a washer, and the little plastic lever there. Do the same with that one. Like there, and then very simply what we do, take the bolt, and we're doing it from the inside outwards, so slide it through and then just twist the bolt so that it aligns. It's actually got a curve on it. You can see there is a curve on the head of the bolt, so we want it so it locks around that round tubular steel. Pop on the washer, and then we're going to thread it on through that hole there. So we just thread that round, and then once it picks up the threads, you can actually just twist it round like that. So I'm just doing it loose to start with, and I'll show you how we're going to adjust it. And then that's exactly the same this side. So from the inside out, just get it in line, and then we can put on our handle and just spin it round like that. Now the reason we've done that is because now we can adjust them, because the idea of this is it's going to hold these tight together, but we can release it if we want to fold. So we want it so that that is tight. So I think we need one more twist of that. And we want to be able to do it so when you close it together like that, you can feel there's a little bit of tension on it. It's tightening up onto that washer. So that one now is fine. Let's just try this one. That one's a little bit loose. I'm going to do it another twist round, and that is it. That is perfect. So now we can slacken these off, and then we can lift that into position like that. And then once it clicks into position, we can tighten those back up again. So we can fold the handlebars down if we need to for storage. That's one of the great things about this. It only takes up a very small amount of space in storage. So we can fold that over, and of course, just to release these, they fold over as well. So really simple to put together and to store it. So we'll just put that back as we need it. That, and that is that. And finally, we've got the cable clip here. So this just stops this from sort of flapping around, so we can just clip that onto there, hold that into position like that, and that is it. So we're now ready to get this onto the lawn, get the battery in it, and I can show you how to start mowing. I've got the battery charged up now, so I'll show you how to pop it in, lift the lid there. Now you can see there's two ways the battery can go in. This side, it's designed for two 20 volts. We've got the 40 volts, so that's the B, which is this back end. So we just slide it into position like that and push it down. And that is it, that's all you've got to do. Just while we're down here, height of cut, because it will be low, it's there, a little lever just underneath that. You just put it, it's spring loaded, so it lifts up and then you can push it down and adjust it to exactly what you want. So we'll go to about halfway. The grass box, which we put the handle on, is here. That hooks on around the back. This also comes with a mulch plug, which is in situ when you buy it. So this basically stops the grass being blown out the back of the mower, chops it very finely and blows it down. Works really well, keeps your lawn green, helps to feed it, it recycles the nitrogen, but you've got to mow little and often. You can't let your grass get too long. So you've got to be out there every 5 or 6 days when it's growing, just taking the top off, but really good way of mowing. If you don't want to use that, put it somewhere safe, and then we just hook on our grass box like that, and this flap holds it in position. And again, like lots of the other Cobra mowers, there's a little flap here that lifts when the air and grass cuttings are being blown in. When it stops, it tells you that it's full and needs emptying. So just pop that there. Starting the mower is very simple. We've got the lever here. We've also got the red button. We have to push the red button in and then pull the lever back to start the motor so we can start mowing. And when we want to stop, we just release it. It's as simple as that. So button in, away we go. Well, there you go, really easy mower to use, very light, easy to store, and makes a good job of mowing the grass. To keep your battery in good condition, when you finish mowing, take it out the mower and keep it somewhere safe. Charge it up when it needs it, and then at the end of the season, make sure that you take it out, fully charge it and store it somewhere that's fairly warm, not in a cold shed, and that will really prolong the life of your battery.
Remember to register your Cobra online at cobragarden.co.uk. Always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.